Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn more about the tab index to specify the order of the keyboard focus. So with this tab attribute, we can set the order of it starting at 1 and then going from 2, 3, and so forth. And then after that, it moves back to the default and tab index equals 0 items. And you can override any default they have, but sometimes it can confuse users because it usually follows a chronological order. So here's just the syntax of it. Tab index equals 1, I get the keyboard focus. And then tab index equals 2, I get the keyboard focus, and it comes second. So for this exercise, we want to add a tab index attribute to the search, and then this tab index attribute to the submit of 2. So we simply copy this. And this is the search. And then the second one. And go like that. So when you press tab, you see this is first, and then submit, and then it goes to the default one. This tab equals 0. And that will be it for this one and this course on applied accessibility. Thank you so much.